Hello brothers and sisters, this is a continuation of HTML forms. In the previous tutorial, you learned how to add labels to your input. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add a button to your input. So let's get started. Okay guys, to add a button is not that hard. All you do is, let me copy this input here and then paste it here. I will delete these two attributes here and I will say value. This value is what will be displayed when we view our button on the browser. So let me say go. I will change this type to submit. Right, save it. Let me refresh. You can see we have a button with a go. Right, now let me change this one to submit. Right, save it. You can see. Let me put some breaks here. BR tag and then save it. Alright, you can see we have our button here. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, you will learn how to add a multi-line text area. I'll see you there.